You're watching Fox in the Morning Weekend Edition.
Right now we're going to head downstairs and check in with Lynn for some help when it comes to having some mommy time, some me time.
Yes, and for dads as well. So it's a little bit for everybody, because with the new year in full swing, it might be time for you to do a little tightening around the eyes and around your face. And we have Heather Endicott here with Spa MD to tell us a little bit about laser treatments that can help to erase some of those fine lines and tighten things up a bit.
We do. What we have to offer now is quick and easy. You're in and out. Lots of times just one treatment. So it's very economical, but it doesn't cut into your time. We're all working very hard. We don't have a lot of downtime. We have some great photos with us that will show blood vessels around the nose. A lot of us have blood vessels after having colds this season, and we want to get rid of them for the spring. Also, what we're showing here is tightening around the eyes. This is a treatment, takes about 4 to 6 treatments, takes less than 10 minutes to work right around your eyes. There's no downtime, you're just a little red, not very much discomfort. Most people actually find it very relaxing, and it works. These are aged hands. This takes me less than 5 minutes. You're in and out. You do not have to come back for follow-up treatments. No downtime whatsoever, and you can see it takes your hands back by 20 years.
So literally in one treatment, all those spots are gone.
Literally, one treatment, all those spots are gone. Blood vessels around the nose. Literally, one treatment, less than 1 minute. I'd say that takes me 30 seconds to do blood vessels around the nose, and they're gone. And you're out the door with makeup on, going back to your job.
Is there any reddening, though, when you have something like that? Is there a little bit initially?
Really, all I see around the nose is slight reddening, like you blew your nose, and it's gone within an hour.
Okay, and again, this is one treatment that you can get rid of those pesky things that make you look a little older.
And that's it. Nothing at all with downtime or irritation like we've had in the past. That's really archaic nowadays. People are in and out. They put makeup on before they leave. They do not have time to take a week off
for those sort of things. Well, it's great you don't have to anymore.
Not at all.
Well, tell us a little bit, too. You said men also, if they don't want these other treatments, there's certainly something designed just for them for something that's really pesky.
Men particularly have extreme ingrown hairs along their collar line, and they'll put steroid cream there. They have to use special razors, and it actually can become quite painful. And now we can remove the hair that causes the problems with those ingrown hairs. It's gone in 4 to 6 treatments, and they never have ingrown hairs again.
All right, well, let's get to one of the things that most people don't like to talk about, but there are plenty of complications if you don't go to the right person to do these treatments. Fairly easy if you go to the right person, fairly tragic if you don't.
Very much so. Complications are a huge problem in this industry because it is a cash-based industry, so everybody has tried to get into it. A lot of people who are not trained. There are providers out there that have had a 4 8-hour class who are running lasers, and we're seeing severe complications with burns and scarring. And unfortunately, I feel strongly that a physician should be on site that is specialized, that is board certified in the area that you're being treated, such as a dermatologist, a plastic surgeon. We have podiatrists out there who are doing laser treatments and plastic surgery, which is a very scary common practice. So I think it's important the patient goes in and asks, what are your credentials? What are your training? Because if you're truly trained, it does not offend you. You do not get irritated. You're happy to share what your training is.
Well, let's get a quick look at the photos of those things that had gone badly. Do we have those photos of the treatments that had gone badly and did some scarring? All right, well, it looks like we don't have them, but you can do permanent scarring, is what you're saying.
I've actually seen blisters, huge scarring, and the skin cannot be repaired. It's very unfortunate, and many times there's people out there called laser technicians, which is against the law in California, but yet it happens all the time. These are estheticians running lasers and have had no training.
So just because a place looks nice,
absolutely,
kind of frou-frou, it doesn't mean they're qualified.
You see this beautiful furniture, these lovely smells, and I ask as a physician on site, and whoever's treating me, I ask about their training. Most of us that have been in this have been in it for 8, 9 years. I have 7 years of education, have done multiple thousands of hours of laser training.
All right, Heather, thank you so much for being with us, and all good information. You can learn more about this on fox6.com if you'd like to.